Okay, fam, we're gonna have you look at some wings as they jerking up. Okay, the wings are jerking up pretty good. Now, my job is right now is to make sure that the wings that don't have the color that I want get the color I want. So, what I'm gonna do now is start moving the wings that don't have the color to the front here, because all the other wings is caramelizing and doing what I want to do for as a jerk product. Now, as you can see back here, they haven't began to caramelize yet, but they're getting the smoke flavor that I want. Jerk chicken, if it's not done on the grill, it's not a jerk chicken. It's a Caribbean way of barbecuing, and it has to be done on the grill. Any other way other than that, then it's just not jerking it, okay? So, we're gonna continue to jerk this chicken up the way it's supposed to be. And then I'm gonna come back here to my jerk marinade, and I'm gonna hit it with just a little jerk marinade here. And that marinade is gonna allow me to bring the fire down that I want, which is about maybe 275. Then I'm gonna sprinkle more jerk on this product, okay? Like so. We're gonna sprinkle more jerk on, and we're gonna close that lid one more time, okay? Like so. And Bonz, we are jerking it up in here. That personalized, just think, you can get that personalized Bonz in a buckets container, and that personalized bucket can be filled with rib tips, ribs, chicken wings, and the list goes on. Okay, let me see, maybe turkey ribs in there, chop up snooks, and all the above. But as you can see, I'm busy. I'm busy here in sunny California, and I love what I do. The Bonz love what he do. I extremely love the culinary arts family. I just saw somebody who looked just like me. I thought it was me. I thought it was me. As I turned the corner, I called out their name. Hey, Bonz. I felt so ashamed when it wasn't me. Bonz is everything to me. Bonz, Bonz in a bucket. And the B is for Bonz, a St. Louis style way of barbecuing. Now let me get back on these jerk wings, because I think the client is going to be picking these up in about an hour and a half. Until next time, hands on, hands in, go Bonz.
Power off.
Woo.